Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to the Dinosaur martial art lessons today. In today's lesson, we're going to learn some awesome martial art moves. And before we get started, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe because at the very end of the video, I'll be announcing a very special giveaway. Okay, let's get started. Chayet? Kanye. Awesome. All right, we're going to start with jumping jacks. We're going to count in 10 in Korean today. Make sure you guys repeat after me. I'm going to say hana, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome job, you guys. Awesome. I'm taking up your arms like this. We're gonna swing left and right to get our shoulders and get our hips warmed up. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now this time here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go into a push-up position just like this. Awesome. All right, we're gonna do one push-up my count. I want you guys to go all the way down, all the way up. Ready? I'm gonna say 하나, good, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. Good, keep going. 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, good job, you guys. Shake out your hands, shake out your legs a little bit. Awesome. All right, Kanye. Awesome. All right, when I say fighting stance, I want everyone to take your right foot back, both hands up. Let's have a race. Ready? Punches. Una back. All right, so you can be the fastest one. Ready? Punches. Awesome, good. All right, you guys start bouncing on your feet like this. All right, here's what we're going to practice. We're going to practice throwing elbows today. We're going to practice a up elbow, a power elbow, and then a diagonal elbow, just like this, okay? So let's practice that together. Everyone say up elbow, power elbow, diagonal elbow. Awesome, awesome. So look carefully at my hand position. When I throw an up elbow, I'm making sure my other hand's up in my head. When I throw the power elbow, it goes the other way. When I throw this one here, it goes across, just like that, okay? Let's do that together. Everyone go up elbow, power elbow, diagonal elbow. Awesome, good, again. Up elbow, power elbow, diagonal elbow. Awesome, again, ready? Up elbow, power elbow, diagonal elbow. Awesome, again, one more time. Up elbow, power elbow, diagonal elbow. Awesome, very good job, you guys. High five. Very, very good job. Awesome. All right, here's what we're gonna do next. Ready yet? Good, awesome. Everyone be super still. Don't move, don't wiggle. All right, we're gonna take this leg. When I say 준비, we're gonna step to the side. Both hands come to our face, and then we punch them both down. So let's try it again. Ready yet? 준비. Good, nice. Now 준비 in Korean means ready, so ready position. So here's what we're gonna practice. When I say low block, we're gonna cross this arm on top. We're going to look to the side, and we're going to step out into a front stance. When we do a front stance, my front knee is bent, my back leg is locked, and I block the bottom just like this. Okay, let's try it again. Ready? Back to 준비, and cross this arm on top. Look to the side, low block. Awesome, very good job, you guys. Again, back to 준비. Good, cross this arm on top. Look to the side, low block. Awesome, now here's what we're gonna do from here. We're gonna aim this hand, and after we aim that hand, we're gonna take a step forward and throw a punch right to the middle. Okay, let's try it again. Ready, 준비. Good, and cross this arm on top. Look to the side, low block. Aim, punch. Awesome, good job, you guys. Again, ready? Back to 준비 position, and cross this arm on top. Look, low block. Aim, punch. Awesome, good job, you guys. One more time. Let's see if we can do it with max power. Okay, max power. Ready? 준비. Good, cross the arm on top. Look, and low block. Aim, punch. Nice, very good job, you guys. High five. Very, very good work. Are you guys ready for a game today? I don't believe you. Yes, sir? Awesome, awesome. All right, ready? Come here, Dojo. All right, Dojo, can you say hi to everybody? Cool, awesome. All right, guys, so here's the game we're going to play. So Dojo has this baseball game we're planning, and oh no, Dojo. Looks like Dojo got taken by a pterodactyl. All right, you guys, let's go chase after Dojo. Let's go. Oh man, looks like that pterodactyl has got Dojo, and it's super high in the air. Here's what we gotta do, you guys. We gotta throw some axe kicks. I'm gonna say axe kick. Awesome. So an axe kick is a kick where you swing your leg up and you hit down. It's a very high kick. So what we're gonna practice is we're gonna hopefully axe kick so that way Dojo can come off this pterodactyl and not get taken away, okay? Ready, hands up, fighting stance? Awesome, I think we gotta need to do it at least 10 times to get him down, okay? 10 axe kicks. I would say, Hana. Good, nice, now the other leg, do it. Good, good, set. Good, good, net. Good, good, toss it. Good, good, gas it. Good, good, keep up. Good, good, you there. Good, good, a hope. Good, one more, yeah. Awesome, very good job, you guys, high five. Very, very good work today. Good job, Dojo, you all right, buddy? Awesome, awesome. All right, everybody here, Chariot? Kenya? Awesome, let's see who the new giveaway winner is today. All right, so parents, if this is your child's name, message me in the About page section of my channel that you guys have won 2 months of Dojo Go TV as well as a pair of iPads. So congratulations. If you guys are interested in joining us for a weekly Zoom lesson, we do them every Saturday, typically every Saturday. Click the link down below and you guys can join in on our lessons, okay? And face your Chariot. Kenya? Awesome, bye everybody, see you all later. Hey parents, are you looking for a way to help your child get more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I would like to introduce to you our very own app called Dojo Go TV. Our app will give you access to a library of different courses updated throughout the year for your kids to enjoy full length away from YouTube. This means no ads, no suggested videos, and your membership continues to support Dojo Go content. Each series inside the app takes your kids on an interactive story to help them not only learn the moves from martial arts, but also have lots of fun along the way. Members on the app will be able to join a weekly Zoom lesson that meets every Saturday at 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Our app is also available on Roku devices as well as computers. If you're ready to start, click the link below to join our program now.